In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up geolocation on Shopify. Setting up geolocation is useful because it can help show relevant currency options based on where your customers are located. This can make shopping feel more convenient and can reduce confusion when customers from different regions view your store. To begin, you will open your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, look for the Apps section in the left side menu. This is where Shopify keeps track of installed applications and where you can add new ones. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct admin view, since the location of menus can vary slightly depending on your theme or account setup. Next, click on Apps. Once the Apps page loads, you should see an area where you can browse and manage applications. This is the starting point for adding the geolocation functionality you need. In the Apps area, find the search field or the option to search for apps. Then, use the search feature to look for a specific app. Now, type in the word geolocation. Spelling can sometimes vary, so if you do not see results right away, you can double-check what you typed and try again. The goal here is to bring up apps that are related to geolocation and currency features. When you see search results appear, review them briefly to find the one that matches your intent. After the results appear, look for an app listing named Geolocation and Geocurrency. This is the app you will install for this process. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct app name from the search results. You can also glance at the app's general description or rating to ensure it is the one you want. But the main thing is to find the exact listing that includes both geolocation and geocurrency. Once you have found geolocation and geocurrency, click on it to open the app details page. On this page, you will typically see information about what the app does, how it works, and what permissions it may request. This is a helpful place to understand what changes the app may make within your Shopify store. Since the installation button is what you are aiming for, focus on locating it on the right side or near the top of the page, depending on how the app screen is laid out. Now, click Install. This starts the setup process for the application. After you click Install, Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation and review the permissions the app will use. Read the confirmation message carefully and make sure you understand what it is asking for. Then proceed to allow the installation to continue. When the installation finishes, you should return to the Apps area or see a confirmation message indicating that the app has been added to your store. At this point, the geolocation functionality is in place through the installed app. The purpose of this step is to get the app connected so that you can later configure it, depending on the app's options. After installation, take a quick moment to ensure the app is listed as installed in your apps page. This gives you reassurance that you selected the correct app and that Shopify has successfully added it. If the app appears in your installed apps list, you are ready to move on to the next part of configuration in a future step, such as enabling the behavior you want for currency and region targeting. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know for installing the geolocation and geocurrency app on Shopify.